The Husband's Secret by Liane Moriarty, a riveting story of betrayal. Liane Moriarty's novel The Husband's Secret is a masterful exploration of the intricate web of secrets and lies that bind the lives of seemingly ordinary people. This captivating narrative weaves together the stories of three women, each of whom is forced to confront painful truths that have the power to unravel their lives. Through Moriarty's deft storytelling, readers are drawn into a suspenseful and emotionally charged tale that delves into themes of betrayal, guilt, and redemption. Plot summary. At the heart of The Husband's Secret is Cecilia Fitzpatrick, a highly organized and efficient mother of three who appears to have the perfect life. Cecilia's world is turned upside down when she discovers a letter written by her husband, John Paul, to be opened only in the event of his death. Despite her better judgment, Cecilia reads the letter, uncovering a devastating secret that John Paul has kept hidden for years. This revelation sets off a chain of events that will alter the lives of Cecilia and those around her forever. Simultaneously, the novel introduces readers to Tess O'Leary, a woman grappling with her own marital crisis. After learning that her husband, Will, has fallen in love with her cousin and best friend, Felicity, Tess decides to escape to her mother's home in Sydney, taking her young son with her. In Sydney, Tess enrolls her son in St. Angela's primary school, where she crosses paths with Cecilia, setting the stage for their lives to intersect in unexpected ways. The third narrative thread follows Rachel Crowley, a widow haunted by the unsolved murder of her daughter, Janie, nearly 30 years earlier. Rachel's grief is compounded by her suspicion that Connor Whitby, a teacher at St. Angela's, is responsible for Janie's death. As the novel progresses, the connection between these seemingly disparate stories becomes clear, culminating in a shocking and tragic climax. Themes and learnings. The complexity of human relationships. Moriarty skillfully examines the complexities of human relationships and the impact of secrets on those bonds. Through the intertwined lives of Cecilia, Tess, and Rachel, readers are invited to reflect on the nature of trust, loyalty, and betrayal. The novel suggests that even well-intentioned secrets can have far-reaching and unintended consequences, challenging the notion that ignorance is bliss. The burden of guilt. Guilt is a pervasive theme in The Husband's Secret, with each character grappling with feelings of remorse and responsibility. John Paul's letter reveals his involvement in a crime, burdening Cecilia with the weight of his secret. Tess struggles with the guilt of leaving her husband, while Rachel is consumed by the unresolved guilt surrounding her daughter's death. Moriarty illustrates how guilt can shape one's identity and actions, urging readers to consider the importance of forgiveness and self-compassion. The ripple effect of choices. The novel underscores the idea that individual choices can have a ripple effect, influencing the lives of others in unforeseen ways. Cecilia's decision to read John Paul's letter sets off a series of events that impact not only her family but also the broader community. This theme encourages readers to be mindful of their actions and consider the potential repercussions on those around them. The search for closure, Rachel's relentless pursuit of justice for her daughter reflects the human desire for closure and resolution. Her journey highlights the struggle to find peace in the face of unresolved trauma and the difficulty of moving forward without answers. Moriarty emphasizes the healing power of truth and the importance of confronting the past, no matter how painful. The strength of women. Throughout the novel, Moriarty celebrates the resilience and strength of women in the face of adversity. Cecilia, Tess, and Rachel each demonstrate remarkable courage as they navigate their personal challenges, ultimately finding empowerment and growth. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Also hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on a journey of knowledge together.